Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I look so freaking pale, but anyway, today's going to be about curly hair. I'm going to be washing my curly hair. Let me move away from the window because I don't know what is going on outside, but hopefully that is better, the noise. I don't know what that is. But I'm going to be washing my curly hair using some new products from Thank Good It's Natural. This is like actually only day 3 hair, but it's kind of messy and I went to the gym, so yeah, we're going to fix up this hair. And I'm also going to be organizing some of my curly hair products here. I don't really have much, but I need to get rid of this basket and this bag here. And this is the only thing of hair products I want. I know it's tiny, but I literally don't want to like hoard unnecessary amount of products. So we're gonna do my hair, make this a little bit of a vlog style video, talk about my haircut regrets because I do have some, so stay tuned. You know, if you're not new here, you know that my hair was so much longer than this, but and it actually has been a month already. I feel like it has grown a little bit, so that's exciting. I've been using some little oils, but I'll get all into that later because I am not a short hair kind of girl. But let's just go wash my hair. Okay, so Thank Good It's Naturals actually sent me their Curls and Roses collection, and I'm really excited to try it out. I have a shampoo, conditioner, a styling gel, a mask, and this curl defining mousse. I love mousse. You guys know mousse is one of my favorite curly hair products, so I'm really excited to try out this collection. This YouTube video is not sponsored, although they did send me this as I mentioned, but definitely go check out my Instagram. I'm gonna have a reel up using all these products. Just got out the shower. I used the hydrating shampoo and the hydrating hair mask as my little conditioner. These really surprised me. If you guys know, I mentioned this plenty of times, I don't really like the scent of rose water, so I was a little bit skeptical trying these out, literally just based off their scent. I didn't know if I would really like them because I'm very like sensitive when it comes to different scents. Like I don't even wear like a lot of perfume. Like I have unscented lotion, unscented everything, so rose water always throws me off. But this one has rose water and acai berry, and I feel like that really tones down the rose water scent. I don't know if anybody else has tried this or if I'm crazy, but when I opened this, I first thought, oh my god, this smells like candy. And then when I thought about it, I think it smells like peach rings. Like I really think it smells like peach rings, and to me it smells so good. I love it. So I was really happy about that. I don't know if that's like a good or a bad thing if you're expecting this to smell like one thing and it doesn't, but I don't know. Obviously everybody's like scents and nostrils are different anyway, so you may think it smells like rose water, but to me it doesn't, and I'm really happy about that. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup so that I can film this reel and not look so crusty. I need some chapstick too. And I'll also get into these haircut regrets of mine because don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. But seriously, if you're thinking about cutting your hair and you are 100% positive about it, then go for it. Obviously, do whatever you want to do. Do whatever you think is going to make you feel good, or if you just really, really need a change and you are sure that is what you want to do, then do it. Whatever. I'm not discouraging you from doing anything you want to do. I'm just sharing my experience and how I felt. And at the end of the day, this is literally just hair, and I keep telling myself that, and it'll grow back, which I feel like my hair grows pretty quick anyway. I actually think it has grown in the past 3 weeks since I cut it. So okay, eyebrows are done. So first, I'll actually start off with the benefits of having shorter hair. You use so much less product. If you are new here, I used to have really long curly hair. Definitely go check out some of my older videos, and I will link my curly haircut videos somewhere up here and somewhere in the description box. But yeah, one pro is that I use way less product. So yeah, shorter hair will save you product, will save you money. But for me, I just honestly went through like a phase where I feel like I did not feel pretty with short hair. Like, and that's how I know I was actually attached to my hair, because girl, it's just hair. And I feel like I look the same, like whatever, I look the same. And you know, 9 times out of 10 my hair is literally in a bun anyway, so what difference does it even make? But I just felt like I looked ugly, which is so stupid, but it's not really, because I feel like people can relate to this. So yeah, it actually like took me a while, and even like now I still rarely wear my hair out curly. If I do, it's like half up, half down. One reason is because I don't really like the way that I look with short hair, and another reason is the haircut itself. It was nothing wrong with it, and there was nothing wrong with what my hairstylist did. I just feel like after the fact I should have added more layers, but in the moment I knew that if I added more layers it would only make it look shorter, so I decided not to do that. But I kind of regretted that, but at the same time I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna go back and add more layers if I know for sure that I want my hair to grow out. So I'm just gonna let it be, let it grow out, and just see where it goes from there. Low-key, I feel like I'm being dramatic about this whole situation, but another reason why I am like hurt over the fact that my hair is short now is because I didn't do it for a specific reason. Like, I didn't have heat damage. I didn't need to cut my hair for anything. Like, my curls are perfectly fine. I literally was just like, oh, I want to change my hair, let me chop it off, and I did that when I could have just got like highlights or something. I don't know. Anyway, I'm really not trying to be dramatic about it, but I know there's people out there that can freaking relate. So yeah, I'm just sharing with you guys how I've been feeling about my curly hair. This is a curly hair, mostly curly hair YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm just sharing my thoughts, a little curl talk session, a little curl talk moment. But yeah, I'm never cutting my hair again. If I ever mention that I want to cut my hair again, just come for me in the comments, come for me on my Instagram. Like, don't ever let me do that again. I've actually already been like trying out these little oils for hair growth, which I'll show you guys here in a second. I haven't even been consistent at all, but I was like doing some I was doing some research on like hair growth oils, and I found there's a bunch of stuff out there for hair growth, obviously, but I found some information on these two oils that I wanted to try. It's neem oil and lavender oil. They're supposed to be like really good for hair growth. So yeah, I'm gonna stick to them. I really do have to be more consistent. But these are the two oils that I bought from my local beauty supply. This is neem oil. Let me see if it focuses. Can we focus? Darling, can we focus? There we go. Neem oil and, oh no, not lavender, rosemary oil. So neem and rosemary. Neem oil smells so bad, and I've used products like hair products that have neem oil in them, but I've never like smelt this on its own. It smells so bad. So it is kind of hard to use that one every day because your hair will have like a scent to it, a weird scent to it, but I need those inches back. Hi guys, so I am basically done filming my reel. I just have to film like the final part when my hair is dry. But you look at this like setup. Look at the setup. Okay, I had like, first of all, I had my camera on the tripod, and I have my, let me show you guys. I had this screen out like this, and I had my phone sitting on top of here. So yeah, it's a whole mess. I need to get like a phone mount for my ring light. I did have one, but it broke. But anyway, I don't even know if I'm gonna film the outro today because the sun's going away and the lighting is gonna be totally different. But as you guys can see, I literally had like a mirror to see what I was doing, and then I had another mirror here to reflect the window light so I can kind of get light on both sides without having to set up these soft box lights because I didn't want to deal with all that. But I don't know, hopefully it comes out good. In the meantime, while my hair dries, I am going to start organizing my curly hair products. I'm gonna take this off, but I hate the feeling of wet hair on my back, but that towel is super annoying. So yeah, let's get started with all this. It actually is like such a small amount of things, but we'll see. And I also am going to start putting away the products that I just used. You guys don't mind the messy room, okay? But let's get into it. Hopefully it's not too dark. I did get this rack at TJ Maxx. I think I told you guys, but it was like 30 bucks. And I thought it'd just be a perfect small little rack to keep inside my bathroom. I don't have like a lot of storage area, and I don't want to have like huge shelves of things. Like I said, I don't want to have like a ton of products that just takes up space when I don't even have that much space to begin with. So I'm going to just fill this up, and whatever doesn't fit in here, trash. So yeah, I'm just gonna dump this box of products and see what we are keeping and what we are throwing away. All right, so I just moved you guys back to this side of the room. We're gonna go through these products. I have some rubber bands. This is my favorite, one of my favorite foams. I'm almost out of it, literally. I don't even know if that would be enough for, actually now that I have short hair, that might just work. But yeah, I'm gonna keep this. I probably could use this literally one more time. Also, one of my go-tos, favorites of all time. I don't even know if the products are gonna be able to stand up in here because it's kind of like curved, which is weird. I don't even think you guys saw me putting things in here, but this is not a really good thing, like shelving unit for these products, because I didn't realize it's kind of curved and it's hard for the products to stay put. So I think I'm gonna put everything in here just for now to get them out of the box and off my floor. And this is the final results of organizing all of my products. To be honest, they're not really like organized in any specific way. They're just off of my floor and in a shelf, which is always a good thing. I just have like barrettes, hair ties and stuff down here, and then just products here in no specific order. So yes, this is probably going to be temporary because, as I mentioned, you can't really organize it very well because they don't really stay up unless they're like jam-packed in there. But yeah, that's probably going to be a temporary little shelving unit. So yeah, that's really it for the organizational part of this video. Really nothing too crazy. I actually got rid of a lot of stuff too, but I think I'm going to end up getting a new shelf eventually. That's probably just going to be temporary for now, just so everything is cleared off the floor. But these are my results from the TJN Curls and Roses collection. I actually really like the way that my hair came out. This is such a good wash day, so definitely follow me on Instagram to see my little styling reel. And if you guys want to see like a full video on these products, I'll probably make one of those if you guys are interested. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Definitely subscribe if you are not. We are so close to 100K. We're like slowly getting there, and I appreciate it no matter how slow it is, but we're very close. So definitely subscribe, generate post notifications so you know every single time I post a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.